You better come on.
Hmm?
He almost fell. I got him on camera too. This dude. Look, he's literally just dropping them. Yes.
If you don't stop dropping, I know you hear me. Bro, this will give me a mess just to clean up today. See, if he was like my pet squirrel, literally, he would have came.
He's getting down eating.
He would have came down.
It's like he's on a farm.
Maybe these leaves are really healthy for
Well,
him.
they're fresh.
Let's take a bite too. You ready?
You're right.
Are you ready?
Yeah. You can barely tell he's in there. I'm up there. Oops. All right. Look at this, y'all. I didn't even realize the tree got hit by lightning. Crazy.